Welcome to my in-depth review of Google Fit, an innovative health tracking platform by Google designed to help users stay on top of their fitness and wellness goals. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about the site and its features, sharing my honest user experience along the way. Google Fit offers a sleek, minimalist interface that is easy to navigate, even for those new to fitness tracking. At first glance, the homepage provides a clean overview of your daily activity, syncing seamlessly with devices like Android phones, Wear OS smartwatches, and other fitness trackers. The heart of Google Fit is its activity tracking functionality. It calculates your heart points and move minutes, metrics designed to encourage users to engage in moderate to vigorous physical activity. I found these metrics simple to understand and helpful in motivating daily movement. The platform also tracks essential health data, including steps, distance, calories burned, and even sleep patterns if paired with a compatible device. For those interested in heart health, Google Fit integrates heart rate monitoring, providing insights into your resting heart rate trends over time. While exploring the dashboard, I appreciated the ability to customize my fitness goals. The site allows you to tailor daily activity targets, ensuring that the goals align with your fitness level and lifestyle. However, the system isn't without its flaws. I noticed occasional syncing issues when pulling data from third-party devices. The app sometimes struggles to update in real time, which could frustrate users relying on precise tracking. Google Fit's health insights are basic compared to more robust platforms like Fitbit or Apple Health. If you're looking for advanced metrics like detailed sleep analysis or nutrition tracking, you might find Google Fit a bit limited. One standout feature is the platform's focus on integrating mindfulness. Google Fit links with apps like Headspace to encourage relaxation and mental wellness alongside physical health. It's a refreshing approach that highlights the importance of holistic health. For fitness enthusiasts who thrive on community challenges or sharing achievements, Google Fit might feel a bit isolating. Unlike other platforms, it lacks a strong social component, which could be a deal breaker for those who value a sense of community in their fitness journey. The overall design of the site is intuitive, with easy navigation between sections like journal and trends. These sections offer valuable insights into your activity over time, showing progress at a glance. The minimalist color palette and design choices make the platform visually appealing, though the lack of advanced features might leave power users wanting more. If you're someone looking for a simple, no-frills fitness tracker that syncs well with Google services, this platform might be perfect for you. It's a solid choice for beginners or casual users seeking a straightforward way to stay active and monitor their health data. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like.